Hi, everybody. Based on the new statement of changes in immigration released by the Home Office on the 11th of November 2025, the Home Office says that it must refuse the application of the following people I'm about to mention, and make sure you don't fall into this category. Number one, a persistent offender. Whether you live in the UK or you're outside of the UK, your visa application will automatically be refused. And a person who has committed an offense leading to a custodial sentence of 12 months, regardless of when the offense was committed, you will have your visa automatically refused. This wasn't the case before the 11th of November. It used to be that if a person has committed an offense and the offense attracts a sentence of 4 years or less, and the offense was committed 10 years ago or longer, such a person may be granted visa. Also, a person who has breached immigration law, whether by overstaying or the person has breached the terms upon which they were granted permission to stay in the UK, such a person would have their visas refused. So if the person also has entered the UK illegally, deception, or the person that entered the UK based on false marriage or sham marriage, such a person would have their visas refused. Parents, please, you need to pay attention to your children. You need to take care of your children, because the law in the UK frowns at children not being properly taken care of. Under the new safeguarding measures, families with safeguarding issues will go through tougher checks. So if you're looking to bring in your children, or your children are in the UK at the moment, the application will be refused if there are safeguarding concerns, and if the caseworker has a reason to believe that your presence or the presence of your partner will pose a risk to your child, the application of your child will be refused. I know there's no parent that wants that. So it is important for you to ensure that you take care of your children and then you give them the best of care if you are in the UK or anywhere in the world. There will be an automatic refusal for person that presented false information or false document to the Home Office. So if in your application it is confirmed that all the information you have given or a part of information that you're given is false, then your visa application will attract automatic refusal. So make sure that all the information you'll be given in your application, they are true, and that you have not misrepresented any facts to the Home Office, and that you are given information or you're presenting documents that are true and are yours. And this is why it is essential for you to look thoroughly at your application before you submit it. Because if you submit an application and it is established that you have presented a false document or you've made untrue statements about yourself, your application must be refused. I hope you have learned one or two things about what can lead to automatic visa refusal, and I wish you the best in your application.